and made mischief of one kind. And another. His mother called him Wild Thing. And he was sent to bed without eating anything.
You make my heart sing.
Can't see. Wild Thing.
This doesn't work either.
No.
That very night in Max's room, a forest grew.
What the what?
And grew. And grew until his ceiling hung with vines and the walls became the world all around.
This is awesome!
And an ocean tumbled by with a private boat for Max, and he sailed off through night and day. And in and out of weeks and almost over a year to where the wild things are. And when he came to the place where the wild things are, they roared their terrible roars. And gnashed their terrible teeth. And rolled their terrible eyes and showed their terrible claws. And Max said,
Be still.
and tamed them with the magic trick of staring into all their yellow eyes without blinking once. And they were frightened and called him the most wild thing of all. And made him king of all wild things. Yeah. And now, cried Max,
Let the wild rumpus begin!
Now stop, Max said,
Stop!
and sent the wild things off to bed without their supper.
Go off to bed. No supper for you.
And Max, the king of all wild things, was lonely and wanted to be somewhere someone loved him best of all. Then all around, from far across the world, he smelled good things to eat.
It smells like bacon.
So he gave up being king of where the wild things are.
But the wild things cried, "Oh, please don't go.
Please don't
Please
go.
don't go! We'll eat you up. We love you so."
We'll eat you up. We love you so.
And Max said,
No!
the wild things roared their terrible roars. And gnashed their terrible teeth and rolled their terrible eyes and showed their terrible claws. But Max stepped into his private boat and waved goodbye.
Sailed back over a year and in and out of weeks
Hey, look, there's trees.
and through a day.
And into the night of his very own room,
My very own room.
where he found his supper waiting for him,
Oh, look.
and it was still hot.
Bacon.